In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp sign-up form to your Facebook page. This is a great way to connect with your audience and improve your email marketing efforts by making it easy for people to subscribe to your newsletters directly from Facebook. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, we need to head over to Mailchimp. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. We're going to use it to integrate your Facebook page with Mailchimp, allowing you to collect email addresses seamlessly. Now what you want to do is click on the section that allows you to discover connected sites or integrations. This feature will be instrumental in adding third-party applications like Facebook to your Mailchimp account. You'll notice there's a search bar. Let's use it for our next step. In that search bar, type Facebook. This will help you find the right integration you need to proceed. You'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the integration labeled Made by Mailchimp. Clicking on this option will provide us with the tools necessary for integrating Facebook specifically. The next part is crucial. You need to click on the Connect button. This will initiate the process of linking your Mailchimp account to your Facebook page. Now you might see a loading screen. This is normal, and once it finishes, you might need to click Connect to Facebook once again. At this stage, you'll be asked to log into your Facebook account if you're not already. Make sure you're logging into the account that administers the Facebook page you're trying to connect with Mailchimp. Next, look out for a blue Continue button. Clicking on this confirms the integration process and sets up the permissions needed for Mailchimp to post updates on your behalf and access insights from the page. Remember, these permissions are necessary for Mailchimp to perform its functions effectively, so make sure to allow them. And just like that, your Facebook page is now connected to Mailchimp. This means you can now create a sign-up form directly on your page, providing a seamless experience for visitors who wish to subscribe to your updates. This integration will enhance your audience building efforts by converting your Facebook followers into email subscribers effortlessly. You're now all set to start leveraging the power of Mailchimp's marketing tools right on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.